Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson, your network passport, decoding IP addresses, the basics. Welcome back to Network Academy Fun. I'm so excited to kick off a super crucial topic for anyone wanting to conquer data centers. IP addresses. Think of an IP address as your device's unique passport to the internet. We're going to decode what these mysterious numbers mean, why they're important, and how they help everything talk to everything else. Get ready to have some fun. So, what exactly is an IP address? In simple terms, it's a unique numerical label assigned to every device connected to a computer network that uses the Internet Protocol for communication. Imagine every house on Earth needing a unique postal address. That's what an IP address is for. Your phone, laptop, smart fridge, or server. It allows devices to find and talk to each other across the vast digital ocean. Without it, your Netflix wouldn't know where to send The Crown. When most people think of an IP address, they're probably thinking of IPv4. It looks like 4 sets of numbers separated by dots. Something like 192.168.1.1. Each set of numbers, called an octet, can go from 0 to 255. It's like having 4 little boxes, and each box can hold a number up to 255. We'll explore why those numbers are so important. But for now, just know that IPv4 has been the backbone for ages. Like the classic muscle car of the internet. Here's where it gets cool. Every IP address actually has 2 main parts: the network ID and the host ID. Think of it like your home address. The street name, e.g., Main Street, is the network ID. It tells you which neighborhood or street you're on. Your house number, e.g., 123, is the host ID. It tells you which specific device asterisk on that street you are. Devices on the same network share the same network ID, but have unique host IDs. Makes sense, right? You don't want 2 houses with the same number on the same street. So, how does your computer know which part is the street name and which is the house number? Enter the subnet mask. This friendly little number works with the IP address to draw a clear line between the network ID and the host ID. It's like a special highlighter that says, everything highlighted in green is the street, and everything not highlighted is the house. Without it, your computer would be totally lost trying to figure out where the network ends and the specific device begins. Not all IP addresses are created equal. We have public IPs and private IPs. A public IP is like your global postal address. It's unique across the entire internet and lets devices out in the wild, like Google's servers, find your home network. A private IP, however, is only unique within your local network, like inside your house or office. It's like an internal extension number. Your router acts as a translator, using something called NAT, to let your private devices talk to the public internet. Pretty neat, huh? Remember how we talked about IPv4 being the classic? Well, with billions of devices coming online, we were running out of house numbers. That's where IPv6 comes in. It's the newer, shinier, super duper version with a gazillion more addresses. It looks a bit more complex. Like 2001 to 0DB 8 to 85 A 3, 0000, 0000, 882E, 0370, 7334. But the core idea is the same. Give every device a unique network passport. Don't worry about memorizing it all now. Just know it's there to keep our digital world growing. Whoa! You just decoded the basics of IP addresses. You now understand what they are. The difference between network and host. the magic of the subnet mask, and even the future with IPv6. This is a huge step for any aspiring data center engineer. Next time, we'll dive a little deeper into how we can actually divide networks using something called subnetting. It's like becoming a master urban planner for your network. Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next episode of Network Academy Fun. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.